Maestro changed what mobile testing looks like. One install command, 5 minutes to a running test. Tests written in plain YAML that a QA engineer or developer can all read and write. But here's the gap. Maestro solves test creation. It doesn't provide the infrastructure, visibility, and deployment flexibility enterprises need around those tests. That's where Digital.ai Testing comes in, providing the enterprise layer around Maestro. Existing Maestro tests run unchanged. Teams can package their existing tests and trigger execution through REST APIs. Tests run across real and virtual devices hosted on the platform. As each test completes, the results are automatically centralized in the reporter. Teams can review the video recording, follow the step-by-step execution, and access the logs needed to understand exactly what happened. Same tests your team already trusts, now ready for the enterprise.